Hello everyone, my name is Islam and today I'll be presenting my project on factors influencing song popularity. My research question is what features best predict the popularity of a song? And this is highly relevant for the music industry and platforms like Spotify, which use recommendation algorithms. These algorithms analyze trends, user behavior, and song characteristics like genre, tempo, and popularity. My goal was to build a simple regression model to identify which features drive popularity while laying a foundation for more advanced analysis using nonlinear models and deep learning. The dataset I used comes from Kaggle. It includes 8,000 songs with 7 features. The dataset was clean with no missing values or duplicates. I applied transformations like one-hot encoding for genres and scaling numerical features using standard scaler to prepare it for analysis. The key variables include popularity, scored from 0 to 100, lyrical content, which is percentage of positive words in the lyrics, as well as tempo, beats per minute, genre, song length, and the number of instruments. To start, I examined the distribution of popularity scores. Most songs fall in the mid-range, with fewer songs scoring extremely low or high. I also analyzed the count of songs in each genre. The pie chart shows fairly even distribution across genres like jazz, rock, and country, ensuring no single genre dominates. Next, I explored scatter plots to identify relationships. While song length and the number of instruments showed no clear patterns, there were strong linear relationships with tempo and lyrical content with popularity. To dive deeper, I analyzed lyrical content within each genre, and interestingly, the country had the highest percentage of positive words, while rock had the lowest. Overall, the variation was small, suggesting lyrical content affects popularity consistently across genres. Another insight came from the number of instruments. Jazz had the lowest average, while pop had the highest. This aligns with the genre characteristics and provides useful context for understanding instrumentation's limited impact on popularity. For feature selection, I focused on correlations. Lyrical content was the most significant predictor, followed by tempo, and song length and the number of instruments had minimal impact. Genre also had little effect, with only slight variations in popularity between genres. For my model, I used forward selection with cross-validation, which confirmed the importance of lyrical content and tempo. The final model achieved R-squared of 92%, and the residuals were evenly distributed, indicating minimal bias. In conclusion, lyrical content is the strongest predictor of song popularity, followed by tempo. While genre and other features play smaller roles, they add context to the analysis. And the model performed well, explaining 92.9% of the variance in popularity. And in the future, this approach could be applied to more complex data sets from digital streaming platforms directly, using deep learning for even better insights. Thanks so much for your attention. Have a good day.